Let's look how to close a call. Here we see a first-line call where a solution has been found and all relevant fields are updated and complete. When I've finished registering all of this information to close the call, I will set its status to solved. In your environment, this may be named differently. It may be named closed, for instance. At this point, we see that the relevant timestamps are recorded below, and I can enter my time spent on the final step of the call. Let me add 5 minutes. I will click Save and finish providing information on my time spent working on the ticket. Let's go for low tariff and explain why. Now we see our option to send an outgoing email, which notifies the caller that their call has been closed, including some information on their request. Now, the contents of this message are completely up to you and your organization, and they can be edited in the Actions and Events module. Let's say I've spoken to Fred already about closing the call, so we'll discard this email instead of sending it.